There's a world of choice in today's car market, what with more than 400 different models and many car types available. Making sense of it all can be difficult. What are the different types of cars? The easiest way to define a vehicle is by how it looks. That's called the body style. Body style is the easiest way to categorize a vehicle. Let's get started. Sedan or saloon. A sedan has 4 doors and a traditional trunk. Like vehicles in many categories, they're available in a range of sizes from small to compacts to midsize and full-size. Luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz and Lexus have sedans in similar sizes as well. Coupe. A coupe has historically been considered a 2-door car with a trunk and a solid roof. However, car companies have started to apply the word coupe to 4-door cars or crossovers with low, sleek rooflines that they deem coupe-like. We still consider a coupe to be a 2-door car. Convertible. Does the roof retract into the body, leaving the passenger cabin open to the elements? If so, it's a convertible. Most convertibles have a fully powered fabric roof that folds down, but a few have to be lowered by hand. Hatchback. Traditionally, the term hatchback has meant a compact or subcompact sedan with a squared-off roof and a rear flip-up hatch door that provides access to the vehicle's cargo area instead of a conventional trunk. Minivan. Minivans are the workhorses of the family car world, the best at carrying people and cargo in an efficient package. They're called minivans, but they are far from mini. That's because they are tall boxes on wheels with sliding side doors for easy access and a rear hatch that opens to a large cargo area. Most minivans have adjustable seats in their second and third rows that often can be removed or even folded into the floor to create a huge open cargo bay. SUVs. SUVs, often also referred to as crossovers, tend to be taller and boxier than sedans, offer an elevated seating position, and have more ground clearance than a car. They include a station wagon-like cargo area that is accessed through a flip-up rear hatch door, and many offer all-wheel drive. MPV. MPV or multi-purpose vehicle, as the name suggests, is made for playing various roles. But the most important of them all is transporting as much number of people, 5 or 7-seater. MPVs are considered to be a family vehicle, but they are mostly considered for commercial purposes, transferring tourist or office staff. The reason is the low cost, fuel efficiency and passenger carrying capacity. Sports car. These are the sportiest, hottest, coolest looking coupes and convertibles, low to the ground, sleek, and often expensive. They generally are 2-seaters, but sometimes have small rear seats as well. There are the high-end exotic dream cars with sky-high price. Pickup truck. A pickup truck has a passenger cab and an open cargo bed in the rear. Virtually all pickups offer some form of all-wheel drive or part-time 4-wheel drive, the latter for off-road use only. Currently, pickup trucks come in 2 size categories, full-size and mid-size. Station wagon. Wagons are similar to sedans but have an extended roofline and a hatch door at the rear instead of a trunk. Some have elevated ground clearance and some rugged body cladding to make them more like a sport utility vehicle, SUV, but they are nonetheless closely related to sedans. It doesn't stop there, there's more to it than basic body types. Those 10 types of vehicles are available from dozens of different brands and in many sizes and at widely varying prices. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment your car type and subscribe to our channel for more videos.